Hi, my name is Dr. Ritesh and I'm dentist by profession. I just want to say that by person, I am a little bit introvert and I don't like speaking in front of the public. So if I'm speaking, I hope that you can realize that somebody has helped me gain my inner confidence and the willpower to say something. Initially, when I came to know about Captain, that was through Instagram in an online reels that was coming, and I was a little bit curious to know what does the word art of discipline means, because that's something good and a new thing. So initially I enrolled in that course, which was an online course, and then I came to know some very good thought process, how to build your willpower and how it helps in focusing in your daily activities and personal work. And then I started taking coaching from Captain. He is my personal mentor, and my it's been around 6 to 7 months that I am taking coaching from Captain. And I need to say that I am observing after a few months that my life is changing in a subtle way, which is difficult to express through my words. My There has been a lot of improvement in my personal life. I must say that I have developed a lot of willpower in doing my work, which has helped me both in professional life as well as my personal life. There are certain things that uh, sir has helped me both in professional as well as my personal life, and it sir has also helped me in gaining the confidence of getting that self confidence and self respect which I used to lack before. I don't know how to thank sir, miles to go in future, but I am quite sure that whatever things that I have learned from sir, if I'm going to follow all these things in my near and later future also, it's going to build my personality and make me a good human being. That's all I have to say. Thank you.